How to change the hosts in Google Meet. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can change the host in Google Meet. Here is how to go about it, okay? The first step is to um open up your Google Meet application, and then once you've opened it up, you'll be brought to this page. Now, for you to change the host in Google Meet, a major way is by changing the host during the meeting. And how do you do so? First of all, you'll have to join a meeting, and so I'll just go ahead and do that now. So after joining the meeting, you'll be brought to the home page. So during the Google Meet section, the next step is to move to the bottom right corner where you can see the more option represented by three vertical dots. So by clicking on it, a list of options will be displayed, which includes in-call messages, share screen, show captions, reports a problem, settings, etc. So once you can see this, the next step um is to note that you can only change hosts or make someone a co-host when you are using the premium version of Google Meet. Okay, we all know that Google Meet has its paid version and its free version. So currently, I'm making use of the free version, and so the option to change host is not here, but for you, it will be here. Or if you can't find it here, go to the top part of the screen where you can see the meeting code and just click on that. Then after clicking on it, you will be brought to the People's tab automatically. Okay, as you can see, there are three tabs here, and show you on the People's tab, and here you see all of the participants so far, including the including the person that is the host at the moment. All right, so once you can see that, go ahead and select the person, the current host, and then you see the option change hosts. Okay, click on it, and then once you click on change host, choose the participants you want to transfer host control to by clicking on their name, and then just like that, the host would be changed. Okay, just like that. But more importantly, like I said, move to the bottom right corner, click on the three vertical dots. On this page, you should see the change host. Click on it, you'll be taken to the page where you see the participant. Choose the participant you want to transfer the host control to by clicking on their name, and then the hosts would be changed. All right, so that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.